this video, I'm about to show you how to add Capital One Shopping to Safari on Mac. First, open the App Store and your iPhone and search for Capital One Shopping. Now, find the Capital One Shopping icon and tap on it to open the app's detail page. Then, tap Get and then Install to download the app. Wait for the app to install on your iPhone. Here, tap on the Capital One Shopping app icon to open the app. After that, log into your Capital One Shopping account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, create one by filling out the registration form and agreeing to the terms of service. Following that, tap on the settings icon represented by an app logo on your iPhone. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Safari. Now, tap on Extensions and make sure the Allow Extensibility switch is enabled. Then, tap Refresh to reload the extensions list. Go to the Capital One Shopping app and then tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Next, tap on Extension and select Safari from the list of available browser. Tap Next and then allow to grant the app permission to add the extension. The Capital One Shopping extension is installed on your iPhone, but disabled by default. To enable it, go to Settings, then Safari Extensions, and then Capital One Shopping and toggle to the switch to the right. You may see a prompt asking you to grant permissions to the app. In the end, tap Allow to grant access to the extension. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.